What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop, go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff to get your affiliate web pages going. Now, I made this template that I can easily share with you guys on Aweber. Okay, I like to keep them simple, and what I'm going to do is, after I make this video for this template, which is going to go right here, I'm going to fill this up and make it an actual page. Okay, this is what they call a two-factor opt-in. Okay, when somebody does this here, okay, and you could set this up, you could set the form up any way you want to do it. Oops, gotta go publish it. Alright, let's go publish it. Even the old Geek makes mistakes. Okay, let's republish it. Get rid of that one. Go back to it. Okay. Okay, two-step sign up. Okay. Submit it. Almost done. Alright, not sure how I got the form set up. Okay, you're almost done. Okay, so it's going to tell me to go to my email and activate it. Alright, and then from there it'll get the email and so forth. But it's pretty easy. What's going to happen is, what I suggest when you sign up, and I'll have the link in the description, you'll be able to create a landing page. Alright, and they have some great ones here. Alright, I got some pretty good ones. They're real fancy. This isn't really, this is good if you got a product to sell. They're not the best the way they make them like this for affiliate marketing. Okay, and also, basically these ones like this are kind of the best for affiliate marketing. I'm sure you've seen my other ones. Okay, one I'm using for web starts. Okay, shows you how to make a free website. These are the average ones for the lead magnet ones. Okay, which is pretty good. This one here that I made for you guys. Okay, it's a little bit more. You can use it for a one product sign up. Okay, you could use it for an affiliate product as well. Okay, it's more like a tiny squeeze page, what we used to call a squeeze page when they were really long. Okay, and with the video, it really makes it one step up from the ones like this here. Okay, these ones here and even this here, what you would do is, you would do your advertising or your blogging on, now they tell you to go to different forums and, sign up and put your link in and stuff like that. Okay, so again, this is just for a one product video advertisement here that you might have, and or an affiliate product. Okay, so it's not that bad. When you sign up with Aweber, what I suggest that you would do with any template that you're using, okay, you want to make a copy of it. Okay, you see there, it's a copy of it right there. Okay, It's going to ask me to publish it, but I'm not going to do that. I already published it over here. Okay, and like this will be your copy. Make your copy first, and when you're first starting out, you're most likely only going to have one list. Okay, those are all my different lists that I have. Okay, so it's a great thing, Aweber. Whatever email platform that you use, okay, you need one. Okay, if you sign up through me, I'll give you oodles of information. I'll also be able to interact with you on it as well and give you shared templates with you directly, okay? So this is Ray from rwcweb.com. Got my new YouTube channel going. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in the box below at rwcweb.com, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Take care.